Chongqing Van-research Technology Company Limited, established in 2019, located in Chongqing. We are the new high-tech enterprise who professional engaged in the research and development, manufacture, sale, and service for continuous reinforced fiber composite materials. The main products of our company is CFRT, UD tape, PP honeycomb panel, PET foam sandwich panel, refrigerated car plate skin, construction molding template, pallet. Our product has the characteristic of lightweight, high impact resistance, corrosion resistance, environmental protection, and recyclable. Widely applied in the area of truck body, mobile house, building molding template, scaffold pedal, heat preservation box body. In addition, we have obtained the product test report issued by SGS and roast test report. Our product are not only selling well in domestic market, but also exported to North America, Europe, and Middle East. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders. We adhering to the business philosophy of professional focus, pioneering innovation, integrity management, quality service. In the meanwhile, we take effort to being the excellent one-stop solution provider of thermoplastic composite material. We warmly welcome the customers and home and abroad to cooperate with us for common success.